Good afternoon. My name is Sara Bedoya. I am a student to the UNAD University, and today I explain my activities and plans. The first question: what are your plans for the weekend? My plans for the weekend are getting into English classes, go to see a soccer game, do college work, go for a walk with my dog to the park. I decorate Christmas in my house and my neighborhood, and out with my friends at night. The second question: what is your job or study routine? My study routine consists of entering classes in the morning at 9 a.m. I pay attention and take notes. After lunch at 3 p.m. I do my university works, review my notes, and watch explanatory videos until 7 p.m. The four questions: what sports do you practice? At the moment, I don't practice any sport, but when I was in school in the 10th grade, I practiced and played volleyball. It is my favorite sport. I practice it often. Which country would you like to travel to and why? I would like to travel to Jamaica because it is a country with many beaches, with beautiful landscape, with friendly people and great music. Thanks.